You're a small YouTuber looking for more views on YouTube? This is what you need to do. So let's start with the very first question. What are low competition topics? Today, over 2 billion people use YouTube every month, and that number is only growing with every passing day. But check this out, compared to all the billions of people on YouTube, there are only 500 hours of video that's uploaded to YouTube every minute. But wait, if you're a content creator, that's really good news for you. Want to know why? Well, it's economics 101. There's a high demand for videos, but less supply of content. Now, let me know if this makes sense to you. If you could somehow find YouTube video topics that have a high search volume, but there aren't many videos on that topic, then YouTube is bound to push your content. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. All that is great, but how are you supposed to find these low competition topics? So, there are a couple of hacks that you can use on YouTube to find a high search volume but low competition keywords. And in this video, I'm going to show you two such strategies. But you need to watch really carefully because you must follow each and every step that I'm doing. So, watch carefully. The first thing that you need to do is you need to come to this site, myactivity.google.com. And why we are coming here is that before you start your research, it is very important for you to clear your YouTube browsing history. Otherwise, YouTube is going to just show you suggestions and videos that you have previously browsed, and that is going to come in the way of our research. So one thing that you can do is you can click on this option, which is auto delete, where YouTube clears your browsing history after every 3 months. So I have this selected. I ensure that my YouTube search history gets deleted after every 3 months, and you can also do that. But if you're not comfortable with that, then what you can do is you can come here and click on delete, and when you click on delete, then YouTube just deletes what you have been searching today. So you can do that as well, or you can just go for delete all time. But let's say that we'll go with this one, delete today. So one day deleted, so that's done. So now we can continue with our research without any distractions, and also your research is going to be more accurate and more authentic. So I highly suggest that you should do this step. So let's move on to the next step. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to come to the YouTube search bar out here right on top. And what we are going to do is we are going to search for a topic that is related to our niche. But we are not just going to search for any topic. What we are going to do is we are going to put a hashtag before that topic. So select any topic related to your niche. So for example, I make videos on YouTube. So let me search for a topic, but ensure that you have the hashtag right at the beginning. So let's say grow fast on YouTube. Let's check this one out. Okay, grow fast on YouTube, and then we click on search. And then this is really important. So what you need to do is when you have when you are on this page, you need to come to this filters option out here on the extreme right. Click on this, and then what we are going to do is we are going to select this year, because we don't want YouTube to show us videos that have been uploaded 2 or 3 years ago. We want to see relatively recent videos. So all right, so I have selected on this year, and now YouTube is showing me a bunch of videos. Now this is the most important part. What you need to do is you need to search for YouTubers that are small. So what we are looking for is small YouTubers with less number of subscribers who have made a video on this topic, grow fast on YouTube, and somehow managed to get lots of views. So let's see if we can do that. So okay, the first option, big YouTuber and less views on the topic, so no. The second option, small YouTuber but even less views, so no, this is not working out. Nope. So again guys, we are looking for a small YouTuber that has somehow blown up for this topic, and I'm searching for this topic for the first time with you, so stay with me. Okay, so maybe this is not such a great topic to go for. Okay, no problem. Let's pivot. Let's change our topic. Let's go for another topic. Again, we are going to use the hashtag at the beginning. So let's go for another topic related to my niche. Let's talk about editing YouTube videos. Okay, let's check this one. Let's see if we have any luck here. Ensure you change your filter. I only want videos made this year. Okay, now, okay, awesome. So the very first video, guys, look at this, the very first video out here. So 30,000 subscribers, so kind of a small channel, but look at the views, 200,000 views. So that's a really good ratio to subscribers to views, which means that there is a demand for videos like this, edit viral videos. So okay, now the next thing that you need to do is you need to use these as your keywords. So now what I'm going to do is these are going to be my low competition keywords, edit viral videos. So now starts the really interesting part. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open a brand new search tab on YouTube, and I am going to search this term, edit a viral video. Now, like you saw in the last shot, I got this video related to a topic which is related to my niche, and this channel out here has made a video on this topic, and look at the views. He really managed to get a lot of views given the fact that he is a comparatively small channel. So now that gets me thinking. So now what I'm doing out here is I'm trying to see if there are other YouTube or content creators that have made a video on this topic and have managed to get a lot of views as well. So what I'm doing is basically I am validating if my hack or my hunch is correct about this topic. So let's look at other YouTubers that might have created a video on this topic. So what I'm doing is I'm going to look for videos that have used these three keywords. Okay, so this is important because I'm not going to target videos that are close to this keyword. I want to know what kind of views have creators received if they used these keywords, these exact keywords. So let's check this one. Okay, so a very big channel, mediocre views, but again this channel has not used the keywords that I'm looking for, which is edit viral video. Next one, no video. I have viral, I have video, but I don't have edit. How about this one? Okay, this one has again the same pattern, small channel, 300,000 views, but they haven't used the word edit. So I'll move on. Let me see if I can find a better match. Okay, this channel, let's see. Okay, big channel but less views, but again I'm going to pass this because they haven't used the word edit. Okay, let's see, edit viral video. Okay, I have the three words that I'm looking for, and if you see, this channel has 90,000 subscribers and 300,000 views. So this is exactly what I was looking for. I was looking for other channels that have used this keyword and managed to get a lot of views, and this is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. Just look at this. So this is maybe a medium-sized channel, but look at the views that this person has managed to receive for this kind of a topic, which means that there is hope for you as well. So the next video that you make, or the next video that I am make, is going to be about editing viral videos, because I know there's a lot of scope for it, there's a lot of potential for it, people want to learn more about it, and there are not many great videos maybe on this topic, and which is why YouTube is pushing videos that even small subscribers have made on this topic. So guys, if this hack made any sense to you, or if you found this valuable, then please do hit the like and the subscribe button out there. It's going to mean a lot for me. And without wasting any more time, let's move on to hack number 2. Guys, what we are going to do is we are going to come to the back end of our YouTube channel. So this is going to be really interesting, so don't miss this out. What we are going to do is we are going to click on this tab out here on the extreme right, which is our icon, and then we are going to go to the YouTube studio. And so your YouTube studio looks something like this, and directly what we are going to do is we are going to move on to the analytics section. And when you reach the analytics section, you need to click on research. Now, I know a lot of people out there, they use different kinds of tools, hundreds of paid applications and Google Trends to look for trending keywords on YouTube, or to look for low competition keywords on YouTube. But honestly, guys, YouTube itself offers you every analytics and every data that you need to blow up your YouTube channel. That's because YouTube actually wants you to grow on YouTube, because that's how they're going to make all the ad money from you. So utilize that, use that, capitalize on that, use all the information that YouTube gives you, and start making videos on very targeted topics. So let's look at how can we look for these high search volume and low competition keywords. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to click on this tab, searches across YouTube. You see YouTube has already it's there, it's telling you what kind of videos you should make. So you also have this option which you can check your viewers searches, but right now this option, they don't show this for me because I'm still a very small YouTuber. Hopefully I'm going to grow one day, and then I'm going to get all this other information that we can use. But for now, I'm just going to stick to searches across YouTube. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter a search term or a topic. So let's, again, what we are going to do is we are going to enter or search for a topic which is related to our niche. So let's continue with the one that we were just researching, or we were just using, so which is edit videos YouTube. Let's check this search term, edit videos YouTube. So what happens is, out here YouTube shows you a bunch of video ideas that are related to this topic, and it also shows you what is the search volume for these topics. So if you see edit videos for YouTube, how to edit your YouTube video, how to edit short videos, all these topics have a very high search volume on YouTube. So we were right, this is a great topic to make your videos on. Now just for you, what I'm going to do is I'm again going to clarify, or I'm again going to validate if what we are looking for is the right information. So just go on YouTube. I have this tab open out here, and what I've done is I have typed how to edit videos for YouTube on your phone, because I think I found it here. Yeah, so if you see the fourth option out here which says how to edit YouTube videos on your phone, so this is also a topic that is highly searched for. So I just wanted to cross check if I'm going to get any views if I make a video on this topic. And if you can see the very first video out here, guys, again, such a small channel, 20,000 subscribers, but look at her views, 200,000 views. All she has done is she has made a video on how to edit a video on your phone. And then again, we are getting my video out here, the video which led us to it all. And so similarly, this gives us a good idea that what kind of videos you can use, or what kind of topics that you can use to make your videos. So if you see here, again, same pattern, small channel, lots and lots of views. So yes, this is definitely a good topic to go for. But this is not what I wanted to show you. I want to show you something else as well. So apart from this, what you can do is there is also something called content gap on YouTube. So let's look for another topic. Let's just go with this one, because this is why I made a video on this topic. So let's say that I make videos on YouTube and I want to make a video on how to write YouTube description. So this will become my search term. So I will search this topic. So then YouTube by default gives me a list of all the topics that have high search ratio and the exact keywords that I need to use. So this is really valuable for a new YouTuber, because you might be making a video on YouTube descriptions, but are you using these exact keywords? Okay, so ensure that when you get a topic that you want to make a video on, ensure that you're using the exact keywords that YouTube is showing you. But here what we are going to do is we are going to come to all searches out here. You see the all searches option out here. We are going to click on this, and I'm going to select content gaps only. So when I select content gaps only, you see what happened. So YouTube is giving me a list of topics that not only have high search volume, but they also have content gaps, which means people are searching for these videos, but there are not many videos on this topic on YouTube. So instantly, what kind of topics you should pick for a YouTube videos. So my next videos on YouTube are going to be covering these topics. Where is the description in YouTube, how to see the description in YouTube, and so on. So what is going to happen is, since the search volume for these topics is so high, next time somebody searches for this topic and you make a video on this topic, and you have been regular YouTuber for some time, YouTube is like without fail or without any doubt, if YouTube is going to push your video. So ensure that you also make some videos on topics that that have content gaps, because this will really help you progress or move up the YouTube game or ladder. So these are the two ways that you can find low competition keywords on YouTube. I hope that these hacks will be useful for you, and I hope that you will give these two hacks a shot. If these work for you, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And at the same time, remember that YouTube is all about keyword research, because after Google, YouTube is the second largest search engine out there. So if you use the right keywords in your description box and your hashtags and your video, then your videos are bound to be more visible on YouTube. So I have made another great video on keyword research here, where I have explored some other keyword research options. So please do check that video out as well, and I'm sure it'll be really helpful for you. And keep watching this space for more such videos.